What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and today's video answers a question: what's some innovative ways to make money by sharing knowledge? Innovative ways, innovative ways to make money by sharing knowledge. And what comes to my mind is what I'm doing right now with YouTube. Whatever knowledge you know that you teach people, whatever it is, put it on YouTube. Put it in a video form. Put it in a podcast form. Put it in a visual form, for a reading form. Humans communicate in three ways: video, audio, and written language. You read the Bible, you read it. You read text messages, we watch videos, and we listen to music. The three ways that people communicate. That's it. There's no other way to communicate. So any information that you have, any knowledge that you have, you should put it in one of those forms. The best way to do this is do all three forms. All three forms are very cheap. I think you start a podcast for cheap. A YouTube is free, and a blog is like $5 a month. So all three ways are easy, depending on what kind of information you're doing. Now, Google is getting smarter and smarter. So some stuff, you can't just be a mathematician, because people can just Google 35 times 1 million and it will come up. Your information got to be very helpful, very useful, very inspiring. And put that in a visual form. Put it on Facebook, put it on social media, YouTube, blogging, podcast form. You got to dominate all three airways to make money. So innovative ways, there are no innovative ways. You got to use what's working now. Social media, YouTube, blogging, podcasts. You just got to get started. You have to get started first. This video I'm doing is going on YouTube. I might do a blog post about it, a small blog post about it. Who knows? But I'm communicating information if you don't know it. So this is a short video, how to communicate information to people, get your information out there. So you got to start making moves. You just got to start posting content and get started. Let's just get started. So that's the end of my quick video. Use YouTube. You want some free, use YouTube. I'm making this video right now off my cell phone. I'm gonna end the video, upload to YouTube, put a thumbnail on it. Free. Doesn't cost no money but time. Cost no money. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of the opportunities that we wasn't afforded 15 years ago. Because when I was growing up, 5 or 6, there was no YouTube. There was no way to make money playing Xbox or making videos. Now there is. Take advantage of it. Use it to your advantage. Put your content out there and make things work. My name is Ty with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.